Welcome to my channel, Learn English with Pamar.
Hey, Ronnie. Remember the good old days when we used to play hide and seek until the sun went down?
Oh, absolutely. Those were some epic games. The thrill of finding the perfect hiding spot and the excitement of trying not to get caught, nothing quite like it.
I was thinking, maybe we should organize a hide and seek game with the gang again. It has been forever.
That's a brilliant idea. Imagine the nostalgia hitting us as we sneak around the neighborhood like we used to. Count me in.
Awesome. We can invite everyone to the park this weekend. It'll be like a blast from the past.
Do you think everyone will be up for it? I mean, we're not exactly kids anymore.
Trust me, Ronnie, the moment we mention a hide and seek game, they'll be all in. It's a timeless classic. And besides, who says adults can't have fun reliving their childhood games?
You're right. I can already picture Tom hiding behind a tree and cracking up, just like he used to.
Challenge accepted. Though, I must admit, I might not be as active as I used to be.
I vote for you to be the seeker. I've seen your hide and seek skills, unbeatable.
Alright, it's a deal. This weekend, hide and seek, just like old times. Get ready for some serious nostalgia.
I can't wait to be a part of it. It's going to be epic.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and don't miss to press the bell icon.